2018 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, dual airbags, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, rear window defroster, fog lamps, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.